Had enough of the Injector Library DLL error blocking your game engine? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I've prepared a repair to get your game files running again. Before we get into the manual guide for Injector Library, you can try the suggested utility for improving overall system health. This is the Injector Library, a specialized library frequently used by game mod loaders and trainers to inject code into a running game's memory space. It manages the localized hooks for custom gameplay logic. This is the most likely file in this set to be quarantined by Windows security. If missing, modded versions of games will simply launch as the base vanilla version with no active mods. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. Since Injector Library DLL is a third-party dependency belonging to the Localized Process Orchestration Toolkit, performing a fresh installation of your host application, where you received the error, is the only way to ensure the library is correctly placed. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A standard restart allows the Windows bootloader to rescan your system directories and potentially recognize an unregistered Injector Library component. Before you go, bookmark this video or click the like button. This ensures the video stays in your library so you can finish the final steps as soon as you're back at your desktop. With the restart confirmed as ineffective for this instance, let's analyze the registry settings next. If you need to pause the video while navigating the registry editor, feel free. Rebooting didn't reconnect the runtime links, so let's go into the control panel and refresh the library files. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before you wrap up the repair, let's ensure you're following the safest path for your system. Remember that manual replacement of Injector Library DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. For users seeking a more stable Windows experience, the link below references a cleanup utility related to Injector Library and system libraries. I'm Sophie Chen. If this guide resolved the DLL error preventing Injector Library from launching, please subscribe for more verified engineering fixes.